If a plus b equals 3 and a squared plus b squared equals 7, then what will be the value of a to the power of 6 plus b to the power of 6? To solve this question, we begin our step by squaring both sides of the first given equation. A plus b equals 3, which in turn will give us a plus b, the whole square, equals 3 squared, which in turn equivalent to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab equals 9. But from the second part of the given equation we have a squared plus b squared equals 7. Substituting 7 in the place of a squared plus b squared into the equation that we derived above, a squared plus b squared plus 2a times b equals 9 will give us 7 plus 2a times b equals 9, which is equivalent to 2a times b equals 9 minus 7 equals 2. Dividing both sides by 2 will give us a times b equals 2 over 2 equals 1. Turning back to what we required, a to the power of 6 plus b to the power of 6, which is re-expressed as a squared cubed plus b squared cubed, which in turn equals a squared plus b squared times a squared plus a times b squared plus b squared, having a squared plus b squared equals 7 and a times b equals 1. We can rewrite the above equation as follows by substituting a squared plus b squared by 7 and a times b by 1 as a to the power of 6 plus b to the power of 6 equals 7 times 7 plus 3 squared equals 7 times 16 equals 112.